Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a concerned parent or an employer looking for a reliable way to monitor and manage computer usage, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the powerful all-in-one software solution, SentryPC. Let's get into it. SentryPC combines award-winning computer monitoring features with essential content filtering, time management, and access control abilities. It's designed to give you peace of mind by letting you keep an eye on what's happening on your computers, whether at home or in the office. Let's talk about its monitoring capabilities first. SentryPC allows you to track every keystroke, website visit, application usage, and even take screenshots at intervals you set. This is incredibly useful for parents who want to ensure their children are safe online, or for employers who need to make sure company resources are being used appropriately. Next up, content filtering. With SentryPC, you can block inappropriate websites, keywords, and applications. This means you can easily prevent access to harmful or distracting content. Parents, you can block those sites you don't want your kids stumbling upon. Employers, you can block sites that you know will eat into productivity. One of my favorite features is the time management tool. SentryPC allows you to set time limits on computer usage, both overall and for specific programs or websites. This is perfect for managing screen time for kids or ensuring that employees aren't spending too much time on non-work related activities. Lastly, access control. SentryPC gives you the power to allow or restrict access to your computer during certain times of the day. You can even lock the computer completely if needed. This is particularly useful for parents who want to ensure their kids aren't sneaking in extra screen time late at night, or for employers who want to control access outside of working hours. In summary, SentryPC is a robust, versatile tool that seamlessly integrates monitoring, content filtering, time management, and access control into one comprehensive package. It's user-friendly, highly customizable, and provides you with the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have control over how your computers are used. If you're interested in taking control of your home or office computers, I highly recommend checking out SentryPC by clicking on the link in the video description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and leave a comment if you have any questions about SentryPC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.